Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 5 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 5 maths and click on your lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. So we're going to start with the chapter multiplication. So here is the list of the lessons. They are estimate products, estimate products word problems, multiply by two digit numbers word problems, multiply three numbers up to three digits each. So let's just start with first lesson, that is estimate products. Let me write down the lesson name, then we'll start. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Let's start with the first lesson, that is estimate products. Okay, here I am on grade 5 maths. The chapter name is multiplication. The lesson I'm going to start with is estimate products. Let's start with the lesson. Okay, so let's start with the first example. Estimate the products, round each factor to the nearest 10 and then multiply. So basically we have to estimate the products, not the exact value. That is just the estimation. Got it? Because what we are going to do, we're going to round off the numbers to the nearest 10 and then we have to multiply them. Got it? So basically you have to first we have to round the numbers and then we have to multiply. Got it? Let's start with the first example, that is 23 times 94. So you have to round off 23 and 94. Got it? So let's start with the first one. You have to round off the number 23. So you have to round off to nearest 10. Got it? So you have 23. You have to round off to the nearest 10. So which digit is at the tens position? 2 is at the tens position. So the number right next to 10 position is 3. You have to compare this number to 5. Got it? 3 is greater than 5 or less than 5? 3 is less than 5. Got it? When the number is less than 5, you have to round on the same 10. Same 10 means write 2 as it is and replace the digit with 0. So 23 is rounded off to 20. Got it? Now you have to round off 94. 9 is at the tens position and the digit right next to 3 is 9 is 4. So 4 is greater than 5 or less than 5? 4 is less than 5. Got it? That means you have to round on the same 10, write 9 as it is and replace the other digit with 0. So you have two of the numbers, they are 20 times 90. Got it? And we know that when multiplying with zeros, you just have to multiply the digits. 9 times 2 makes 18, and you have two of the zeros, one with 20 and one with 90. So just write zeros as it is. So it would be 1800. So 1800 is the approximate product, not the exact value. Got it? Because we haven't multiplied the exact numbers. The exact numbers are 23 times 94. We did 20 times 90. We multiplied the rounded numbers. Got it? Got it, everyone? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Let's start with the test questions. So on the top right corner, we have a test button. So let's just start with the test questions. Okay, estimate the product, round each factor to the nearest 10 and then multiply. So we have to round off the numbers and then we have to multiply them. You have to do 29 times 33. So let's start with the first number first. We have to round off them. Let's start with the first one, that is 29. So you have to round off the numbers. We have 29. We have to round off to the nearest 10. So 2 is at the tens position. The digit right next to 2 is 9. You have to compare this number to 5. So 9 is greater than 5 or less than 5? 9 is greater than 5. Got it? So you have to round off 29 to 30. It would be rounded off to 30. You have to round off to the next 10. The next 10 is add 1 to 2. 2 plus 1 is 3 and replace the other digit with 0. Got it? Okay, the next one is 33. You have to round off 33. 3 is at the tens position and the digit right next to 3 is 3. You have to compare the digit to 5. 3 is greater than 5 or less than 5? 3 is less than 5. Got it? So you have to round off to the same 10. Write 3 as it is and replace the digit with 0. So it would be 30 times 30. Got it? So 3 times 3 is 9. So the product is 90. 3 times 3 is 9. So it would be 90. Got it? So the correct option is 900. Got it? So let's just start with just select the correct option and let's just start and let's start with the next question. Got it? 3 times 3 is 9. It would be 900. Got it, everyone? Very good. Yes, it is 900. Okay, the next one is estimate the products 26 times 48. So you have to round off the numbers and then you have to multiply. Got it? Let's start with 26. You have to round to the nearest 10. So the 10th digit is 6. Got it? Whenever you have to, like you have to round off to the nearest 10. So you have to look for the digit that is on the right hand side of the 6. Got it? Of the 10th digit, it is 6. You have to compare this digit to 5. 6 is greater than 5 or less than 5? 6 is greater than 5. That means you have to round up. Got it? Round up means add 1 to the digit. 2 plus 1 is 3 and replace the digit with 0. So it is 30. Got it? Then you have to round off 48 same way. 4 is at the tens position. So the digit right next to 4 is 8. 8 is greater than 5. That means you have to round up. Round up means add 1 to 5. It is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5 and replace the 8 with 0. It is 30 times 50. Got it? Just replace the non-zero values. 5 times 3 is, just multiply the non-zero values. 5 times 3 is 15. So it is 1500. Yes, very good. The correct option is 1500. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 33 times 74. So you have to round off the numbers same way I did for this one. So 33 times 74. The 3 is at the tens position. The digit right next to 3 is a 3 and 3 is less than 5. Got it? That means you have to round on the same 10. It would be 30. Got it? Here you have 74. So 7 is at the tens position. The right next digit is 4. 4 is less than 5. You have to round on the same 10. So it would be 30. 77 times 3 is 21. Multiply the non-zero numbers and write zeros as it is. So it would be 2100. Very good. You're doing great. So the correct option is 2100. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 31 times 37. So which is the correct option? 31 times 37. 31 is rounded off to 30 and 37 is rounded off to 40. Got it? Round off the non-zero value, multiply the non-zero values. It would be 4 times 3 is 12. So it is 1200. Got it? The correct option is 1200. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. 85 times 26. So 85 is rounded off to 85 times 26. So 85 is rounded off to, you have 5. 5 is equal to 5. Got it? You have to round to the next 10. It would be 90. And here you have 2 and the next digit is 6. 6 is greater than 5. So you have to round up. So it would be rounded off to 30. Got it? 3 times 9 is 27. So it is 2700. Got it, everyone? The correct option is 2700. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 88 times 51. 88 times 51. 88 is rounded off to 88 is rounded off to 8 is at the tens position and the digit right next is 8. 8 is greater than 5, so it is rounded to the next 10. Got it? It would be 90. And then you have 51. 5 is at the tens position. The digit right next to 5 is 1. 1 is less than 5, so you have to round on the same 10. Got it? And we know that 9 times 5 is 45, so it is 4500. Got it? So the correct option is 5500. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. Got it, everyone? The next lesson is estimate products word problems. Let's just start with the next one, that is estimate products word problems. Okay, here is we are working on grade 5 maths. The chapter name is multiplication. So here is the next topic, that is estimate products word problems. So let's just start with the lesson. Let me read the question, just listen to me carefully. A sporting goods company puts 7,546 jump ropes in each shipment. They they ship 87 shipments per year. About how many jumps rope does the company ship each year? Choose the better estimate. So we have to multiply the numbers, and the numbers are 7,000 and the numbers are 7,546 and we have 87 here. Basically, you have to multiply these two numbers. So first you have to round off them, and then you have to multiply. So that first digit is in thousands, so you have to round off this digit to thousands. Got it? And then this digit is rounded off to 10. So let's start with a thousand digit. 7 is at the thousands digit. Got it? The digit right next to the thousand is 5, and 5 is equal to 5. Got it? 5 is equal to, when they are equal, you have to round up. Got it? Round up means add 1 to the thousands there, and the rest of the digits replaced with 0. Got it, everyone? Is there any problem with the rounding? If you have any problem with the rounding, go to the channel, find the lessons on the rounding, do the practice questions as many as you can, and then you can start with the multiplication. Got it? The rounding is exactly the same thing I am explaining. Like, you have to round off 87 to the nearest 10. So the 10th digit is 8. Got it? And the digit right next to 8 is 7. You have to compare this digit to 5. So if the digit is greater than 5, 7, like 7 is greater than 5, you have to round up. Round up means add 1 to the 10th digit. 8 plus 1 is 9, and replace the other digits with 0. Got it? Just multiply the non-zero values. 9 times 8 is 72, and write the zeros as it is. You have 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it would be 720 thousands. Got it, everyone? Okay, let's just start with the test question. Okay, a school bus weighs 7,287 pounds. If you weighted 27 school buses together, how many pounds would they weigh? Choose the best estimate. Choose the better estimate. So you have to estimate the product. Got it? You have to multiply the numbers. They are 7,287, 7,287, and multiply it with the 27. Got it? You have to round off both the numbers. Got it, everyone? So you have to round off this digit to the thousands. 7 is at the thousands position. Just look at the very next digit, that is 2. You have to compare this digit to 5. So 2 is greater than 5 or less than 5? 2 is less than 5. So you have to round on the same thousand, write 7 as it is, and replace the other digits with 0. Got it? Then you have to round off 27 to this nearest 10. 2 is at the tens position, and the digit right next is 7. So 7 is less than 5 or greater than 5? 7 is greater than 5, so you have to round off, so it would be rounded off to 30. Got it? So just multiply the non-zero values. 7 times 3 is 21, and write the zeros as it is. You have 1, 2, 3, and 4 zeros. Got it? So it would be the first option. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is there are 77 dots on each ceiling tile. About how many tiles are there on 8,278 ceiling tiles? Choose the better estimate. So you have to multiply both the numbers, and the numbers are, so you have to multiply the numbers. They are 8,278 times 77. Got it? You have to round off both the numbers first, and then you have to multiply. So this digit is rounded off to nearest thousand. Got it? It is at the thousands position, and the digit right next to 8 is 2. Got it? And 2 is, you have to compare the digit to 5. So 2 is less than 5. Got it? So you have to round on the same thousand. So it would be 8,000s. So same way you have to round off the number 77. 7 is at the tens position. So the digit right next is 7. You have to compare the digit to 5. So 7 is greater than 5. Got it? That means you have to round up. So it would be then 80. Just multiply the non-zero values. 8 times 8 is 64. It is. Got it? And write the zeros as it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it would be 640,000. Got it? The first option is the correct one. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. That is the first option is the correct one. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Oh, very good, everyone. Okay. A school own 31 buses. There are 43 seats on each bus. About how many seats in total are there on the buses? So you have to multiply the two numbers. They are 31 times 43. Got it? You have to multiply them. Got it? First, you have to round off them, and then you have to multiply. Got it? So 31 is rounded off to 30, because the digit right next to 3 is 1. 1 is less than 5. Got it? Same is the case with 43. It is rounded off to 40, because the 4 is at the tens position, and the digit right next to 4 is 3. So it would be rounded off to 40. Got it? Just multiply the non-zero values. 4 times 3 is 12. It would be 1200. Got it, everyone? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. The correct option is 1200. Got it, everyone? The next one is there are 60 boxes of razors in the supply closet. Each box contains 44 razors. How many razors are there in all? So you have to multiply the numbers. They are 60 times 44. Got it? You have to round off the numbers first. Got it? So 60 is already a rounded number, right? It as it is rounded to the 10. It is already a rounded number. Then you have to round off 44. So 44 is rounded off to 40. Got it? So multiply the non-zero value. 6 times 4 is 24. So 2400 is the correct option. Got it? If you have any question, any problem, please write the question in the chat box. I am here to answer all your confusions and questions. Got it? Okay, yes, very good. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. So the next lesson is multiply by two-digit numbers word problem. The lesson name is, let me write down the lesson name. Multiply by two-digit numbers. Two-digit numbers word problems. Okay, so we are working on grade 5 maths. The chapter name is multiplication, and here is the lesson we need to work on, that is multiply by two-digit numbers word problems. We are simply going to multiply the numbers, not the estimated one, not the rounded one. Got it? Let me just read the first question. There are 11 bags of beans. Each bag contain 98 beans. How many beans are there in all? So you have to multiply both the numbers. They are 98 times 11. Got it? So let's see how can we. You have to do 98 times 11. Whenever we are working addition, multiplication, subtraction, whatever it is, we always start with the ones digit. Got it? So the ones digit are 8 and 1 are at the ones position. So we are going to start with the ones digit. One is at the ones place. Got it? Let's start with multiplying 1 to both the digits. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 9 is 9. Got it? Now the next digit is again 1. We're going to start with the tens digit. So we have to write the numbers right below the tens one, not the ones. So I added 0 right below the ones digit. I'm going to write the numbers right below the tens one. Got it? Because we're going to multiply the tens digit. Got it? 1 times 8 is 8 and 1 times 9 is 9. Got it? So now you simply need to add 8 plus 0 is 8. 9 and 8 is 9 plus 8 is 17. Write the ones digit as it is and carry that tens digit to the next digit. Got it? It would be then 9 plus 1 is 10. So that means when you multiply both the digits, the answer is 1078. Got it, everyone? If you need to be perfect with multiplication, you need to be perfect with the tables. Got it? So please make sure before starting the chapter multiplication, you are perfect with tables, multiplication tables. Got it? Okay, very good. Let's start with the practice questions. Let me read the question. A sporting goods factory puts 65 playgrounds in the shipment. Balls 65 playground balls in each shipment. How many playground balls will be there in the 67 shipments? Got it? So you have to multiply the numbers. They are 65 times 67. So the numbers are 65 times 67. Got it? So always start multiplying with the ones digit, and it start with 7. 7 times 5 is 35. Got it? Write 5 and carry 3 to the next digit. Got it? 7 times 6 is 42. You have to add carry, so 42 plus 3 is 45. Got it? So we don't have any digit right next, so you have to write 45 as it is. Got it? Okay, now we're going to start with multiplying by the tens digit. So write 0, write add 0 right below the ones digit and start writing the numbers with under the tens digit. Got it? 6 times 5 is 30. So write 0 and carry 3 to the next digit. 6 times 6 is 36, and 36 plus 3 is 39. We don't have any other digits, so write 3 as it is. 39 as it is. Got it? Just add up all the numbers. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. 1 and 1 carry. 9 and 1, 10 and 4, 14. 4 and 1 carry. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So it is 4,400, and it is 0, not the 6. 5 plus 0 is 5. 9 and 4 is 13. So it is 4,355. Got it? You don't have to carry here, so it would be 4,355. Got it? So the correct option is 4,355. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Got it, everyone? Okay, the next digit is a school owns 14 buses. There are 57 seats on each bus. How many seats are total? In total are there on the buses? So you have to multiply the numbers. They are 57 times 44. Got it? Let's just do 57 times 44. Got it? Start multiplying with the ones digit. You have to do 4 times 7. 4 times 7 is 28. Write is 8 as it is and carry 8 right below the ones digit and carry 2. 4 times 5 is 20, and 20 plus 2 is 22. We don't have next digit, write 22 as it is. Got it? Okay, the next one is again 4. 4 is at the tens position, so we're going to start writing the numbers right below the tens digit. 4 times 7 is 28. 8 and 2 carry. 4 times 5 is 20, and 2 28. Got it? Just add up all the numbers. 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. Write 0 and carry 1. 8 plus 2 is 10 and 1 11. Write 1 and carry 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So the correct option is 3,108. Got it? Oh, it is 57 times 14, not 44. Got it? So let me just, here you have one. So we are going to change this line because we don't have to multiply with the, it is 14. We are going to start writing the numbers right below the tens digit. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 5 is 5. Got it? Just add up. 8. 7 plus 2 is 9, and 5 plus 2 is 7. It is 798. Got it? So the correct option is 798. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is Greg organized a walk for charity that was 55 miles long. Of those who started, 90 people completed the walk. How many miles were walked in all by those who completed the walk? So you have to do 90 times 55. Got it? You have to do 90 times 55. So start multiplying with the ones digit. 5 times 0 is 0 and 5 times 9 is 45. Got it? Let's just multiply the tens digit. So write 0 right below the ones and start writing the numbers right below the tens digit. 5 times 0 is 0 and 5 times 9 is 45. So just add up all the numbers 0, 5, 9 and 4. So that means the total miles are 4,950 miles. Got it, everyone? Is there any problem? No one is answering. If you have any question, any problem, just write the question in the chat box. I'll answer all your questions. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. Got it? If you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Okay, the next lesson is multiply multiply three numbers up to three digits each. Multiply three digits up to three digits each. Got it? We are going to multiply the three numbers. Multiply three numbers. We're going to multiply three numbers and each number is three digit number. Got it? Let's start with the examples. We are working on grade 5 maths. The chapter is multiplication. Here is the lesson, that is multiply three or more numbers. No, here is the one. Multiply three numbers up to three digits each. Got it? Okay. Let's start with the first example you have now. Let's start with the test questions because it is already solved. So you can. Okay, let's start with 70 times 55 times 80. Just look at the example. We have three digits. Got it? So you have to multiply them. So you can start multiplying by the first two digits. Got it? Let's start with 70 times 55. Got it? This is exactly the same. We are doing the questions right before this one. Got it? Multiply the two digits as it is. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 7 is 35. Now we're going to multiply the tens digits. So we have to add 0 right below the ones. 5 times 0 is 5 and 5 times 7 is 35. Just add up all the numbers. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8 and here we have 3. That means the product of 70 times 55 is 3850. We are left with multiplying number by 80. Got it? So just multiply the product of 70 times 55 with 80. Got it? So just do 3850 times 80. Got it? Remove the zeros, just multiply the non-zero numbers. Got it? So I'm going to remove the zeros. I'm going to just multiply the non-zero values. Then we can add zeros later. Got it? Because we know how to multiply the numbers with zeros. Just multiply non-zero values. 8 times 5 is 40, 0 and 4 carry. 8 times 8 is 64 and 4 70, 0 and 7 carry. 8 times 3 is 24 and 7 31. Got it? So there is 3100. We have two zeros in the digit already that we removed. So just add through. It is 310,000. Got it? When you multiply the three numbers, the answer is 308,000. 8 times 3 is 20. 8 times 3 is 24. Let me just check. 8 times 5 is 40, 0, 4 carry. 8 times 8 is 64 and 4 70, 0, 7 carry. 8 times 3 is, wait, let me just check on the calculator. 70 times 55 is 3850 and 3850 times 8 is 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 5 is 40, 0, 4 carry. 8 times 8 is 60. Oh, sorry, 64 and 8 is 68. Got it? So here you have 8. 8 times 8 is 64. Got it? And 64 plus 8 is 68. 6, write 8 and carry 6. 8 times 3 is 24 and 4, 30. So it would be 3080, and we have already two zeros with the number, so it would be 308,000. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, the next one is we have to do 22 times 81 times 22 times 89 times 79. 22 times 89 times 79. 22 times 89 times 79. So start multiplying the first two digits. It would be 89 times 22. So start multiplying by the ones digit. 2 times 9 is 18. Carry 1. 2 times 8 is 16 and 1 17. Now we are going to multiply the tens digits. So add 0 right below the ones and start multiplying with the tens. 2 times 9 is 18. 1 carry 2 times 8 is 16 and 1 17. It would be 8. 8 and 7 is 15. 5 1 carry 7 and 1 8 and 1 9 and 1. It would be 1958 times 79. Got it? Now multiply 1958 times 79. Got it? 9 times 8 is 72. 2 and 7 carry. 9 times 5 is 45 and 7 is 52. Write 2 and carry 5. 9 times 9 is 81 and add 5 86. 6 and carry 8. 9 times 1 is 9 and 8 17. Now we're going to multiply the tens digits, so add 0. 7 times 8 is 56. 6 and carry 5. 7 times 5 is 35 and 5 40. 0 and carry 4. 7 times 9 is 63 and 4 67. 7 and carry 6. And 7 times 1 is 7 and 6 13. Got it? Just add up all the numbers. It is 2, 8, 6, 7 and 7 is 14, write 4 and carry 1, 3, 1, 4 and 1, 5, and we have, so it is 154,682, the product of the three numbers. Got it? It's a bit long because we are multiplying three digits, so it would be 154,682. Got it, everyone? Okay, the next one is 55 times 16 times 66. 55 times 16 times 66. 55 times 16 times 66. You can multiply these two numbers. Order doesn't matter. Got it? In case of multiplication. So start multiplying 66 times 16. Because it doesn't matter if you multiply first two number or if you multiply 16 times 66. The answer is same in both the cases because order doesn't matter in case of multiplication. Got it? 6 times 6 is 36. 6 and carry 3. 6 times 6 is 36 and 3 39. Add 0 right below the ones digit. Start multiplying with the tens. 1 times 6 is 6 and 1 times 6 is 6. So when you add them, it would be 6 plus 0 is 6. 9 plus 6 is 15. Write 5 and carry 1. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So now you can multiply 1056 by the third number. That would be 55. Got it? 5 times 6 is 30, 0, 3 carry. 5 times 5 is 25 and 3 28, 8 and 2 carry. 5 times 0 is 0 and you have to add 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. 5 times 1 is 5. You have to multiply now. The next digit, add 0 right below the ones. Start writing with right below the tens. So it would be 5 times 6 is 30, 0, 3 carry. 5 times 5 is 55 and 3 28, 58. 5 times 5 is 25 and carry 2. It would be 2 and 5 times 1 is 5. Just add 0, 8, 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5. It would be 5,000, 580,080. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it? It's a bit long, but you have to complete the lesson by yourself later today. So here is the list of the lessons we have covered today. We are working on the chapter multiplication. The lessons we did are estimate products word problems, multiply by two-digit numbers word problems, multiply three numbers up to three digits each. So if you have any question, please write the question in the chat box. I'll answer all your questions if you have any. Please write the questions in the chat box. So you can complete the tests by yourself later today. If you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? So if you don't have any question, then that's all for today. See you guys in the next session. Please click on the like button right below the video and make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. Got it? Okay, that's all for today. Thank you everyone. Thank you for your participation. Bye.